Use FC01 to repair the true tone of 8 to 11 p.m. with original screen operation guide true tone repair org screen. To test true tone, the receiver FPC is needed to be installed, and the ambient light code needs to match the original device. True tone is not displayed after the screen of mobile phone is replaced. Let's repair the true tone. 1. Standalone operation. Connect the true tone adapter to FC01. Power on. Buckle the former original screen on corresponding position. After recognizing the screen, click Read. It starts reading and backing up the screen SISCFG data. Remove the former original screen. Buckle the new screen on the corresponding socket. Click Write. Click Confirm. It shows Data Verified Success. The SISCFG data is written successfully. 2. Online operation. Connect the device. Buckle the original screen on corresponding position. It is displayed that screen is connected on the platform. Click Read Data. The platform will read and save the data of the former original screen. Remove the former original screen. Buckle the new screen on corresponding position. It is displayed that screen is connected on the platform. Tick all the data. Click Write Ticked Items. When it displays Verified Successfully, it indicates that writing is finished. 3. Install and check. Install the new screen with well-written data. True tone displayed as usual. The true tone is repaired successfully.